Hello guys, this is Pratisha and I am here to share my CAP interview experience with you all. Before that I want to say sorry because my wisdom teeth is growing and my cheek, as you can see, is all puffed off. So I couldn't make the interview experience video before because I had interview on 12th of March, but due to this I couldn't speak properly, so I decided to do, like, my pain has subsided, so I decided to do it today. So my interview was on 12th of March in 2021. My CAP interview timing was in afternoon session, that is in 12:30. After 12:30, so I had to no, it was in 1:30. It was in 1:30, so I had to wait from 1:30, and already the mail was given before, I guess a month before I was given the mail that your interview is on 12th, and there were also two numbers given that if you have any problem during the interview you can call these two numbers and you can contact them. So I had also called them to ask that, what is our serial number or something like that, but they told that no, there is no serial number. The panelist would just they decide the number and you just have to sit in front of the camera unless your number comes, which you don't know. So it was kind of a pickle for me because we know our serial number, we didn't knew our serial number, and we sat in front of our computer screen the entire time. I had to wait for 2 hours before my interview started, so I sat for from 1:30, and my interview started in 3:30. So I sat for 2 hours in front of the computer screen, so it can be very tiring. So apart from that, I would say the interview was a very good experience, was a very chill experience. There were two panelists, one was a male and one was a female, and both were in their they were in their 40s, I guess, and both were very cordial and very polite. So at first they couldn't listen to what I said, so they told me that, okay, we can't listen you, so please kindly turn off the fan. So I turned off the fan, and then I came and apologized for the sound or the external noises. They were very polite and they were saying, no worries, you tell, we are asking you question. And so they started asking me question. They started with the same question and telling that, what's your tell me about yourself. So I started telling about myself. Then that ma'am who was there, she stopped me and no, we all know this, we all have read this, see something interesting about yourself. So I started telling what all extracurricular activities I have, all the hobbies I have, what activities I was involved in during the college time, and what are my interests. So I started telling also about my personality. Also I mentioned that I have a YouTube account, to which they became very interested in, and they started asking me questions about my YouTube account, like what's the name of your account and what do you do in that account, and why do you share about economics and those subjects. So I answered them. Then after that, sir asked me some questions about the economics. They gave me 1 minute and told me to say about our economy, Indian economy, during the long period or during the year of 2020 in terms of the macroeconomic identities. As I am an economics student, so they tried me to connect the Indian economy to the macroeconomic identities in the year of 2020. So as I had told that my interest lies in macroeconomics, so they asked me this question. So I took a couple of seconds. I jotted down the points that I wanted to say, and then after that I told them. Then they cross-questioned me that why do you think the economy is in V-shaped recovery, like other economists are saying there is a S-shaped recovery, A-shaped recovery, D-shaped. Why do you think there is a V-shaped recovery? As I had answered them that V-shaped recovery is seen in the economy. So I answered regarding that. Then ma'am asked me question about, name some economists that you know who got the Nobel Prize. So I named the economists. Then she is Abhijit Banerjee an Indian or an American? So I said he is American. asked me what about Amartya Sen. So I said them that he's Indian. So then ma'am asked me about marginal utility. I told them. Then sir asked me about like how do you correlate the marginal utility in the real life, or how can we use it in the real life sense, the theory. Then I answered that question also. Then sir asked me about what are your hobbies. So I told them that I did singing, and I did debate. I love reading books. So they asked me like, did you like learn singing? So I said that yes, during my school time I learned singing. And so yeah, I don't remember them asking like many questions. It was a very like chill interview. It was kind of a discussion. So it took around 12 minutes, I guess. So that was my interview all about, and I answered every question. Okay, yes. Another question was there. They also asked me about indifference curve, which I didn't really recall at that time, and I said that I don't recall it, but I can answer it according to my knowledge. So I answered that, but I later that answer was wrong. But I had told that I don't remember it, but I'll try answering it. So yeah, like this, they all asked me these questions, and this was all about my interview. It was a very cool interview. It was a very chill interview, and I hope that I get good and positive. So you all can share what your interview experience has been, and you can write in the comment if they have grilled you or it was a very chill interview for you as well. Thank you for watching this video.